Hello, today we are going to introduce the POS terminal to you. This one, the model name is HP605. Okay, the model is EMV and PCI certificate. So that means this one is professional POS terminal. Now we show you how it works. Okay, we go to test the demo app. Now you can see the card function. You can read bank cards, a stream card, IC card. Okay, a lot of cards. Also can read the SAM card. Okay, now we show you bank cards. Okay, it's a sweep. Okay, you can see has the command and the code. That means successful. Now we show you chip card. Okay, can get APDU command. Okay, when you connect with bank interface, then it can read bank cards. Now, second one can print. Printer function, print text. Okay. Okay, you can see. Okay, China UniPay. Because we also use this model in China for different banks. Okay. Now we test the barcode function. Scan the barcode. Okay, barcode function. Also, fingerprint function. Fingerprint function is optional. When you choose fingerprint function, then here we'll have one fingerprint sensor. Okay. Now we introduce the hardware to you. Okay, here's printer, here's power button, and normal USB and mini USB. Okay, it's the card reader. It's also card reader. Okay. You take a battery. You can see SIM card, SD card, SAM card, and SAM card too. Okay, that's all. Thank you.